Web3 is one of the newest buzzwords. It is generally considered the third generation of the internet, a decentralized online ecosystem based on the blockchain designed to empower creators. To better understand Web3, let's talk about the early days of the internet. The first iteration of the internet, Web 1, was raw code made up of very simple web pages. It wasn't controlled by any entity, and very few users had the technical skills to create and publish web pages. The emergence of Web 2, the internet as we currently know it, was brought about to organize the chaos of content that existed on Web 1 while also making it easier to monetize. Thanks to companies like Facebook, Amazon, and Google, information became easy to present and discover. As Li Jin puts it, the internet was supposed to usher in a golden age of media, a world of infinite abundance where anyone can create whatever they want, and everyone can find whatever they're interested in. Though centralization has amassed incredible value, the business model of Web 2 revolves around users creating fresh content that can be profiled, aggregated, and then sold for marketing purposes. This has resulted in the accumulation of power for a few large platforms at the expense of the creators, and creators are starting to question this outsized control. Web3 is all about tilting the scales of power and ownership back toward creators and users. It is built on the core principles of decentralization, privacy protection, openness, greater user utility, and permissionless access. On streaming platforms, each stream of a song contributes very little to the artist, regardless of a fan's passion for a song. In contrast, superfans are purchasing NFT music priced by the artist, allowing creators to potentially earn what previously would have required tens of millions of plays. Though Web3 is still in its infancy, private equity and venture capital funds are helping lead the investments that are driving the vast ecosystem of Web3 startups, crypto, and decentralized technologies. This is no longer a hype story, but an emerging investment with real institutional capital being deployed. Some tech skeptics are concerned with regulatory hurdles, broad adoption, and how the control of the internet will work in practice. Will it just be another centralized entity with a different label? While the future for Web3 is uncertain, it may have the potential to unlock a new creative renaissance on the internet. Learn more about how the private equity and venture capital industry is investing in the Web3 ecosystem.